Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome news problem which says in a factory which manufactures bolts, machine A, B, and C. So, we have three machines A, B, and C. Manufactures respectively 25%, 35%, and 40% of the bolts. Okay, so 25% production. Okay, 35%, and it is 40% of the bolts of their outputs. 5, 4, 2% are respectively defective bolts. Okay, defective is 5%, defective is 4%, defective is 2%. Okay, respectively. A bolt is drawn randomly from the product and it is found to be defective. Okay, so you have collectively you have handpicked one of the bolt. Okay, and it is found to be defective. And what is the probability that it is manufactured by the machine B? So look at this. So don't you think that you have come back again, means on the whole you have clubbed all the bolts, and from that bag you have picked one of the bolt, and then you are saying that it is defective. Now you have to tell me that this is being produced by machine B. So you are coming back now, A, B, C, then again B back again. So it is base theorem. Okay, so now look at this, how I will be handling this thing. So required probability will go this way. So suppose that you have taken bolt from A, it is found to be defective, or you will find a bolt from B, it is found to be defective, or you will take a bolt from C, it is found to be defective, and you have to find out the probability when the defective bolt is from B. So you have to write bolt from B and then it is defective. Now please handle this situation carefully. So we have A. Now look at this. So what is the production? It is 25%. Okay. So can I say it is 25 by 100 into, now it is defective. So defective is means what? 5 by 100. Now next case. Now it is B, from B. So B produces 35%. Okay. And then we have defective. So it is 4%. Now then we have from C. So C produces 40%. So it is 40 by 100 and it is found to be defective. It is 2%. So 2 by 100. Okay. Now you know that you have to write down B and defective. So it is 35 by 100 into 4 by 100. Now you have to simplify things to get the required result done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.